Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Bhindi Masala roast recipe made without onions, garlic or tomato. It's super easy to make, healthy and tasty, and a perfect side dish with roti or with rice. To make bhindi fry, I'm using 350 grams of bhindi, also known as vendekai in Malayalam. So I washed and rinsed the bhindi and I have kept it on a strainer. And I'm going to slice the bhindi. Slice both the ends of the bhindi. And slice into about this size. I have sliced the bhindi and this is the size I prefer. Heat a well seasoned cast iron kadai with 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use healthy fats and wood pressed oils in your diet for better nutrient absorption. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and once it's splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the sliced bhindi. Give it a stir. Allow the bhindi to get roasted. Do not add salt at this stage. Salt will release the moisture in the bhindi and that will make it slimy. So add salt once the bhindi is lightly roasted. And 7 minutes later, the bhindi is lightly fried and it has also shrunk a little. And now I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed and give this a stir. And while the bhindi is sauteing along with the salt, into a bowl I'm adding in half teaspoon organic turmeric. I'm using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, also known as amchur powder. Half teaspoon coriander powder. 1.5 tablespoon besan flour, also known as chickpea flour and kadala maavu in Malayalam. 1 tablespoon roasted sattu flour. Sattu is the flour made from roasted black chana dal. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. And give this all a mix. Besan flour may have some lumps, so you can just mash it out with a spoon. Increase or decrease chili powder as per your taste. Now the bhindi is nicely fried. I'm adding in all the masalas. Just give this a mix. The masalas will coat the bhindi. Once the masalas are coated over the bhindi, stir it a couple of times and then allow it to roast again for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. After about a minute, lightly stir the bhindi and turn it over so that the masalas which has coated all over the bhindi are nicely roasted in the residue oil. Serve the bhindi masala to a plate. So guys, do try this bhindi masala roast and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.